You see him? That guy. I almost walked right in this snapper. Look at me. Here's me. There's him. Holy. I'm sorry, snapper. I'll leave you. This is a RattleBot. This lure is what I hope to catch fish with. It's just weird, man. Oh, I got one. I got one. Yeah. The chunky rock bass. It works. Level 1 achieved. That's what I was hoping for. Level 1 achieved. The RattleBot. It works. Oh my goodness. All right, let me get this one out. All right, there you go. That worked. Can't believe it. Yeah, this is the RattleBot, you guys. I got this out of a Mystery Tacklebox. And gosh, it looks weird. It's a crawfish imitation. And I'm going to see if I can catch a rock bass, a smallmouth bass, and a largemouth bass with this. I might have to go to different places for this. Maybe I can catch all three right here, but RattleBot crawfish lure. It worked. There we go. All right. See you, buddy. Can't see very good yet. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, okay. Oh, darn. 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 Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. All right, I gotta set the hook on these guys a little better. You see him? There's two dudes in my fishing spot. What are you guys doing in my fishing spot? Oh, no, they're in front of it. All right, I think we'll be okay. Holy sunrise, that is ridiculously pretty. All right, so what did we learn so far? The RattleBot is not good for small creeks. It needs deeper water. I'm gonna check out the Milwaukee River with the RattleBot, see what happens. I did catch some fish on a worm in the creek. So there were fish here, but they just were small. Stuff not big enough. Probably ruined it right at the start. That was my best chance, and it was a little too dark to even see what I was doing. But, you know, well, how about that snapping turtle? Holy crap, that scared me so bad. I was getting really close to that. Yikes! All right, well, let's go see Milwaukee River. All right, which lure are we going with?
I have a big hook.
That's more for pike.
I'll try this.
Yeah, that's a good choice. I'm going with this, the RattleBot.
That looks weird.
It is. I got it from one of those Mystery Tackleboxes. But it's a lipless crankbait. Hey, I got one. I got one. Yeah, RattleBot. The RattleBot, baby. It's a robotic catching machine. Don't hurt me. Oh, yeah. Look at that! I caught the robot smallmouth. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a pike. Dude, you got a pike. Yeah. You got a pike, buddy. Yeah. He's a skinny guy.
Little guy.
Yeah. There. Keep him up, because he's gonna get like in the tangled. Nice. Nick got a pike, you guys. Let's go. On the crankbait. That's what I caught my last pike on too. Dude, that's awesome.
He's got like holes in his.
That's supposed to be there. Yeah. All right, let's get him off and then we'll let him go.
Could you give me a fire?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Dude, nice, Nick.
He's over there. I can see him.
Let's go. We got a pike. Did the third catch of the day. That's gotta be a bullfrog tadpole. It's so chunky. It doesn't even have legs starting yet. Oh my goodness, that's so cool.
You ready?
Yeah, let's let him go. That's awesome. Oh, look, there's another one that we're fine. That was awesome.
See if I can get his buddy.
See his buddy right in there.
Oh, I had him.
The Milwaukee River was fun with the RattleBot. It was cool that Nick caught that pike. So now we've got a rock bass and a smallmouth bass. Let's get a largemouth with the RattleBot. We'll try it in a pond. We'll see how that goes. You know, stage 3. This will be the last stage of testing the RattleBot. Not totally sold on this lure. I bet you didn't know I'm not the only person that fishes at the secret pond. Look at this guy. All right, free lure. I'll take it. All right, before we get out the RattleBot, I gotta double check the fish are still here. So I'm gonna give the worm a cast or two. Oh, looks like there's still fish in the pond. Good tighten that drag a little. Well, all right. There's still fish in this pond, you guys. Oh, that's a kingfisher. You hear that? That's cool. All right. All right, there's still fish in the pond. I love it. Let's go. There it is. You think I can catch one? Should I cast right into the sunrise? There we go. All right. Yeah, RattleBot. That's a pretty good bass. Love it. Nice. Smallmouth, largemouth, rock bass, RattleBot did it. It's such a weird looking lure. It's just weird, but it worked. All right. Let's see if I can get one more. All right, when I've been fishing with this RattleBot, I'm using 10-pound braid, and then I've got 10-pound mono on this for the RattleBot. So a little heavier setup. I've got a 7-foot rod with medium fast action. It's a Daiwa reel Exceller 2500, and this is my favorite braid, by the way. I'm using that Power Pro version 2. It's like the smooth kind. Highly recommended. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Come on, stay out of the weeds. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. I like it. Well, okay, RattleBot. We'll say you crushed it. Jeez, I can't get it off. Okay, there we go. Well, alright. Alright. I'm gonna have to set you in. This is so hard. You're so big. Holy cow, how big are you? How can I do this? Maybe I'll paddle over that dock. Let's do that. See if I can set up like that. Jeez Louise, they're so big. All right. This is, let's see, mouth closed, 19 and a half. That is a 19.5-inch bass. You ready, buddy? Yeah, there he goes. You saw him swim away. Let's go. Right. Well, RattleBot, I wasn't really high on you at the start of this trip, but now I am. Oh my God, holy cow, RattleBot, that's awesome. Dude, I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know if that really is even the biggest bass I've seen in this pond. I think Joey's might have been bigger. Should have measured that one, but this one's official, 19.5 inches. All right, push good buttons. See ya.